In this video, I'll show you how to find and download trending meme clips for Instagram Reels and TikTok. First, open Google and type memetempletsbro.com in the search bar. Once you see the website in the results, click on the official link to open it. When the website loads, you will land on the homepage. Here you can scroll down to explore the latest and trending meme templates. You can click on any template that you like. Each template shows a clear thumbnail, so you can quickly recognize the meme. New templates are added regularly, so you can always find something fresh for your next Reel or TikTok video. If you prefer browsing by category, open the menu and choose a section. For example, here are all the templates inside the International Templates category. Here you can scroll through the full list and see all related templates in one place. This makes it easier to find similar. If you are looking for something specific, use the search bar. For example, type happy and you will see related templates appear. You can also search Ryan Gosling and you will find different meme clips based on him. You can scroll and choose the one you want. Or type IshoSpeed or anime and the matching templates will show up instantly. You can search for any meme you need based on the type of content you want to create. When you open a template page, you will first see the preview video you can watch it to make sure it is the right clip. This helps you check the scene before downloading anything. After watching the preview, click the download button. Save the file to your device. The clip will download directly and be ready to use in your editor. Below the download section, you will see the template details and the copyright section, showing where the clip can be used, including Reels and TikTok. If you cannot find the meme you're looking for, you can use the request template page. Submit a request. There is also a meme contest page where users can participate and share their edits and win prizes. After downloading the clip, import it into your editing app, add your text or effects and export it for Reels or TikTok. And that is how you find, download, and use trending meme clips.